What's the meaning of Bharatanatyam? Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam.
Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a classical Indian dance form that originated in the state of Tamil Nadu. The word Bharatanatyam is derived from three Sanskrit words, bhava meaning expression, raga meaning music, and tala meaning rhythm. The dance form is known for its graceful and intricate movements, expressive facial expressions, and precise footwork. It is characterized by a series of hand gestures, called mudras, which convey specific meanings. Traditionally, Bharatanatyam was performed in temples as a form of worship, but it has now evolved into a popular stage performance art. Today, it is one of the most widely recognized and appreciated forms of Indian classical dance.